Hi everybody. I'm just on here to do an unboxing. I'm just gonna show some of the stuff that I ordered uh, this past week. I've got just a few things in today. Um, I'll have more coming in next week. Uh, my son's already opened up the box because I was at the hospital with my husband when he had his back surgery. So let's just get down to it, okay? So first of all, I ordered new molds, a couple new molds. This one is a new rolling tray mold. So we've got a new one. My other one ripped on me. I would show it to you, but I already threw it away. And then here I have two new ashtray molds. You guys know that my last one ripped on me when I was demolding. Of course, I'd had them for a little bit, so we got two new ones. I still have one more, that I have been using. It's right here, but it's starting to get wore out. So they're the same size, but now I have two new ones. Um, Here, I think these are my gloves for the epoxy. If I can get it open. Yeah. New box of gloves. I was starting to run a little low, and even though I have a buddy that brings me plenty of gloves, I just wanted to make sure I had some more. Okay, let's try to get this out of the box. A box inside of a box. This box, I'm just going to set it off to the side here. And then get this box out. We'll throw this box down there for now. Okay, I don't know where my razor blade is right now, so I'll just use these scissors to get this open. I can't remember what kind of resin I bought this time. And inside here, looks like I got some new measuring cups. I like these cups. Look at that. And they're the disposables. So, yeah, I really like these. I might have to try and find more of these. They'd make it a lot easier to measure out everything that I need. And my resin, let's see what kind we got. Crystal Clear from Shabib is what I've got this time. We'll see how well it works. That was part B. This is part A. And it looks like it's a 1-to-1 ratio. No bubbles. super gloss finish, self-leveling, anti-yellowing, BPA free, low odor, and it is, I think, should have said somewhere on here, food safe. Anyway, we got those. And I like this. I mean, I've not tried it before using these pump, but I think I like the idea of having these pumps. So usually I'm just lifting it up and pouring it. So we'll try that out. Let's see how that does. And oh look, I got a little spatula knife. That's pretty cool. Probably a mixing knife. What is this? Looks like I got some directions here. User guide. Non-flammable. We'll read all that later. Throw this box off to the side. That's just more I've got to clean up later. Let's see what this is. These might be little miniature gloves. Not miniature, but you know, will be mini pack. Yep, that's what it is. So, got a few extra gloves here. I'll just throw that in the cup right now. And so I'm all set to get the epoxy going again. Now let's open up this box. This is screen printing. Let's see. Get my scissors ready again. I'm trying to do this now because my grandson's on his way. Do it while it's not so loud in the house. Alright. This kit looks pretty cool. Got some masking tape. Some more gloves. Everybody loves some bubble wrap. Got this big squeegee. That's to run the paint down the screens. Losing silica packs. I'm going to repurpose these bubble wraps for whenever I send stuff out. I have a smaller squeegee. Looks like it came with some sort of, maybe a putty knife or something. We'll stick that in that cup. And get rid of these silica packs. More popsicle sticks. I can always use these. I go to the Dollar Tree every so often and buy new popsicle sticks. Got these little burners or rubbers or whatever you want to call them to get the paint and stuff. And these are my screens. I got this one. That's a small screen. I've not yet used screens for, not yet done screen printing at all, really. I do, like, I got that stamp set, but this is the next size that I have. And I'm going to use my Cricut to, you know, make some of the screen prints. And then I have, let's see what this is. Well, it's cool. I got a little design kit here for beginners, since I've never done this before. Tell me why this paper is one page, and on the back it only says steps 7 and 8. Where's the rest of the steps? Okay, what are these? I think these are maybe clear printing pages. I'm not sure. I've been watching, yeah. So you can print the design on these, and then it's stuck to the thing here. You print the design on these, and then once you do that, you can transfer it after you use, I can't remember the technical term for it, but you put something like emulsion or something like that on both sides of this screen, and then you would take your design on that clear paper and stick it there. You would use a UV light to transfer the image onto the screen. I'm not gotten that far yet, so it'll probably be a while before I do that, but I will be using the screens, like I said, with my Cricut. And then I have one more screen here, and it's a larger one, and that's just got the cardboard. There we go. Larger screen. So that is what came in this kit, and I bought it off of Amazon, and it was, I think, $30 for this kit, so not too bad. But we will give this screen printing thing a shot. Lost one of my spatulas. There we go. So that abundant accessories design for beginner. I might have to get some emulsion to do this. And you guys know that I've already got the Speedball fabric paint. I have green, yellow, red, white, blue, and black. So that's all going to be used with the screen printing. But that's all for my unboxing today. And I just wanted to share with you guys everything that I've got today. So thank you for joining, and I'll see you on the next live. Thank you.